What's going on, everybody? Hey, man, I'm, out in the streets, pounding the pavement, doing walkthroughs and stuff like that. And I wanted to do a video really, really quick to kind of let you know the power of delegating, systemizing, and automating. And I want to do that specifically on the topic of virtual assistants. So I'm going to tell you what happened, or literally just now. So I had a person that contacted me in reference to some services, in reference to setting up their CRM and stuff like that, right? So I recently had my VA, who handles pretty much, 90% of everything that's online. They handle that, whether it's my websites, my social media, email campaigns, all that stuff. They handle all of that. So my main VA, who works for me, she just recently did my websites for Clean Success Academy, where my coaching program and stuff is, in addition to consultation calls. So she just recently did that maybe a week ago. So it looks great and it's up and running. So that's cleansuccessacademy.com. And I think it's like /opt-in or something like that. You may be able to go to just cleansuccessacademy.com and it should take you right to it. But the other one she created was my official page, which is ShermanLewisOfficial.com. And if you go there to ShermanLewisOfficial.com, and you may have to put like /main or whatever, but go there, you can see the page that the website, the funnel, whatever you want to call it, that she made for that. I love it. It looks great. It breaks down everything. She saw the vision that I had, and she just put it on to the internet. It looks amazing. But here is a scenario. Someone called me looking out for services, and I was like, man, let me just do a discovery call as opposed to going back and forth, because nowadays everybody just wants to, hey, let me just do a call with you, talk about what we need, and then we'll decide where you need to go. I realized that I really didn't have that on my page, but I'm out in the streets. I just did a walkthrough. I just stopped and got some lunch for me and my wife. I have another meeting. I don't have time to do that. So I reached out to my VA, who's on the job right now, and I said, hey, can you possibly do like a discovery call button, or a contact button, or whatever, where people can go in, look at the schedule a call, 15-minute, 20-minute call with me at any point in time. If somebody contacts me, I'll direct them to the website. Just go there, click the button, schedule your call. She said, absolutely. I just got off of a video call with her, explaining my vision of what I wanted to happen, because I didn't want to type and drive. As you can see, I'm driving. I didn't want to type and drive. So I did a video huddle call with her, told her exactly what I wanted, and now she's working on it right now. Sorry, I'm looking to make sure I can go. I'll wait. She's going to take care of it. She's going to fix the websites and put those links, those buttons in there, and just handle it. All this is going on while I'm driving, right? So all this stuff is happening because I delegated. I have a system in place where I have VAs that are delegated to perform certain tasks that I need accomplished. And it can be anything. It can be, social media posting. It can be reaching out. It can be cold calling, emails, scheduling, a number of things. And I think I have a list that if you comment in, or if you make a comment, I'll send you the list of possible tasks that you can task out to your virtual assistant that will take pressure and take responsibility off of you, and also buy your time back so that you can do other things, like you can drive and not sit there and figure out, hey, I have to get back and I have to do this, or I have to send this link to this person. No, delegate that to somebody. Delegate that to somebody on your team to handle, and then you can focus on things that's going to bring revenue to your business. And it's IPAs, which are income producing actions, right? So you can focus more on income producing actions. All right, I'm at the post office. now so I can take my seatbelt off. You can focus now on income producing actions that work towards building and growing your business. All these other tasks and stuff like that, you know, checking emails, scheduling, cold calling, all that other stuff, those are things that, yeah, they are beneficial to your business, but they don't directly bring income to your business. You know what I mean? They take away time. You can use that time more wisely by working on your business as opposed to working in your business. So get yourself a VA. If you need to know how to do VAs, how to manage VAs, how to hire VAs, I can teach you all of that. I can tell you all of that. Or you can go to, the website, I believe is, I think it's cleansuccessacademy.com/VA or /VA staffing. Go there. You can see the ready-made VAs that we have. Our VAs are trained in the cleaning system, or the cleaning business system, the cleaning business, how logistics and how we operate, the jargon, the lingo. They're trained on the CRM that's provided by CBN, which is off the coattails of Go High Level. So it's a CRM that does everything. Our VAs are trained on how to navigate and use that CRM system. They are, ready to go. They don't need to be trained on how to schedule, how to call within the CRM system. They use the phone call system. They're already trained for you, right? Now, other things you're going to have to kind of bring to the table in reference to how your business works. But day one, they can hit the ground running, right? So we have different platforms or different programs within the VA staffing, Clean Success VA staffing. Now, I did decide that the prices to what we currently have is changing, and it's probably going to change, if not today, before the end of the week. So just be aware of that. So if you look at it now, it may be a certain price, but by the end of the week, it's going to be changed because we're redoing that whole website and we're changing what we offer to increase the amenities that comes with the VAs. But this video is not about that. It's about being able to understand how to delegate your responsibilities so that you can have time to work on your business and not work in your business. And it was just amazing that I was able to do that, while I was driving. And currently, like I said, she is working on my website right now, and she's gonna message me back, and I'm gonna say, hey, yes or no, and then we'll go from there. So if you need to hear, or you need to learn about VAs, how to manage VAs, how to hire VAs, how to train VAs, how to anything with VAs, I'm the person you need to talk to. So reach out to me. Go to Clean Success Academy /VA, VA staffing. Let's say VA staffing, and do a discovery call with me. Or if you're in CBN, reach out to me in the group. Anyway, I got to go in here and mail off another book. I wrote a book called The Invisible Bottleneck that I'm mailing out. This is signed copy, so the signed copies I mail out directly. You can go to my website, ShermanLewisOfficial.com, if you want a signed copy of the book, or you can just go look up The Invisible Bottleneck by Sherman Lewis in Amazon. You can get a copy from Amazon. You'll probably get it a lot quicker, but it will not be a signed, personalized copy. But with that being said, you guys keep grinding, and we will catch you next time. And always remember, no deposits, no withdrawals. You don't put anything into it, you're not going to reap the rewards or the benefits of it later. Take care.